Namaskar viewers, welcome back to Ajay Stromani Guru, your trusted source for the latest commodity updates and in-depth analysis. I'm Neena, and today we're diving deep into the recent movements in the palm oil market. Buckle up, because the bears have been in control for palm oil. We've now seen a significant slide for the 7th consecutive session. Yes, you heard that right. 7 straight days of downward pressure. The benchmark July 2025 crude palm oil contract on the Bursa Malaysia Derivatives Exchange took a hit, closing down by 52 ringgit or 1.37%, settling at 3,792 ringgit per metric ton. Intraday, we even saw it touch a low of 3,724 ringgit, marking its weakest point since September of last year. So what's fueling this bearish sentiment? Well, two key factors are at play. Firstly, there are growing expectations of strong palm oil production in both Malaysia and Indonesia. This anticipated surge in output is raising concerns about a potential buildup of inventories in the coming months. More supply often translates to downward pressure on prices. Secondly, and perhaps more significantly, we're seeing persistently weak import demand from a major player, India. Their palm oil imports witnessed a sharp 24% month-on-month decline in April. This isn't a one-off. It's the 5th consecutive month of below-average import activity. The anticipated recovery in demand simply hasn't materialized, adding further weight to the bearish outlook. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There are some factors that could potentially offer some underlying support to palm oil prices. We are currently observing a widening price gap between soybean oil and palm oil, which now stands at around $198 per metric ton. This price differential could make palm oil a more attractive option for buyers. Furthermore, there are projections indicating a potential decline in global oilseed output. If these forecasts hold true, it could limit the downside for palm oil prices. Despite these potential supporting elements, the future direction of palm oil, and indeed other vegetable oils, will largely hinge on developments in the crude oil market and the crucial biodiesel blending mandates, particularly from major consuming regions like the United States. Any shifts in these biofuel policies could significantly reshape the demand and price dynamics within the global vegetable oil landscape. Keep a close eye on these policy decisions. In related markets, we did see some marginal gains in crude oil. WTI crude futures were up by 0.41% at $58 and 97 cents per barrel, and Brent crude rose by 0.55% to $62 and 1 cent per barrel. While these gains provided some limited support to the broader commodities complex, the specific pressures on palm oil remain significant. So what does this all mean for you? Keep a close watch on the production figures out of Malaysia and Indonesia, monitor India's import data closely, and definitely pay attention to any news regarding biodiesel policies and crude oil price movements. These will be the key indicators to watch in the coming weeks. That's your in-depth analysis for today. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Ajay Stromani Guru for more timely updates and expert analysis on the commodity markets. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.